This is John with America's Choice Gourmet. I wanted to show you our family bundles that we have to offer today. This is our prime beef family bundle, which is one of our bundles, which comes with your 20-ounce prime grade ribeyes. You get 4 New York strips, 2 big old porterhouses. These are 20 ounces. This is a prime grade steak burger. It's smash burger because it's 2 inches thick. You smash those down, gives it really nice crusty edges. We also have our ranch filet of sirloin here. In addition to that, we do offer chicken bundles. This is an Italian marinated chicken breast, all boneless and skinless. We do have honey mustard, plain, plum teriyaki, chicken fritters for the kids, and also a lemon herb. Typically, a lot of our family bundles will offer, to our customers, will last you a good 3 months. And if you can stay away from the grocery store and not get retailed so much, by buying in bulk, you're gonna save a lot of money. We also do have some pork and seafood bundles. Actually, come over here, I'll show you those. And now I would like to show you our pork and seafood bundles that we have. This is our family pork bundle. It's gonna come with your Italian sausage. You also have stuffed pork chops. They have a holiday stuffing in them. Reminds me of Thanksgiving at home. And then you also have your pork tenderloins, one of my personal favorites. This is a Southwest marinated pork roast. In addition, we have my favorite, which is the porterhouse pork chop, known as the king of all pork chops, and your thick cut hickory smoked bacon. The seafood bundle, on the other hand, has some other dramatic things like salmon, tuna, 10, 15 count Argentine shrimp. You do get fully cooked lobsters, sea scallops, and also stuffed flounder with crab stuffing. But if you guys would like to come on down to America's Choice Gourmet, I'd be glad to show you each and every one of our bundles and find out which bundle package is gonna work best for you and your family. Thank you guys so much, and we look forward to seeing you here at the store.